In this segment, we're going to start our installation of our lineal pieces with our starter strip. Here we have a condition where we're coming to the gable and we're going to have an inside corner at the edge, and I'm going to work, by the way, left to right as I will also with the shingles. I'm going to make a little tab here at the end of this starter piece that's going to wrap around the corner. I'm just going to come in about an inch. Make sure I cut this far enough back that it doesn't, this part doesn't lap over the gable. Now I'm going to measure the point from the corner here to my inside corner, and I've measured that, and it's 48 inches, and I've come out and I've made that mark 48 inches in. I'll cut straight back there, and I'm going to do one cut at about a 45. I'm going to go straight down here, and then I'm going to make a slight little V here because these two sections of drip hem are going to come together. Going to come together like that, and then notice when I turn it over that makes for a nice miter effect from the bottom. As I've mentioned before, we'll be using ring shank nails of sufficient length to penetrate the roof deck in all of our installations, but for these demonstration videos I'm simply using smooth shank nails, which are easily removed. Now I've got this initial piece in place, and I'm going to need to make a piece to butt in, to join into that piece. And I want them to overlap about an inch. So I'm going to come in the hem there about an inch. Cut that right on the fold line there. Then I'm going to make a diagonal cut here so that the two pieces can nest properly together. I'm going to take my utility knife and open up this top hem, and I'm set to go ahead and put them together. Now I'm going to open this up just a little because I want this portion to be able to fit inside of that. Again, I can take my utility knife and pry that open, or perhaps use a screwdriver. I want to put one nail through the overlapping section here. Okay, one final detail with regard to the starter strip would be how to handle an outside corner, that is the place that you would have a hip at. And in general, with both an outside or an inside corner, we don't want to cut the starter strip off at the corner. We want to go around the corner and make our joints out along the edge instead of at the corner. So we've already got this shingled, but I'm going to set this down and just show how we would do it. I would set my starter strip in place, and I would note where it's going to hit the corner. Then I'm going to go ahead and mark that and mark down there on the drip hem as well so that I'm in line. Because this is an outside corner, at the drip hem, all I need to do is a single cut there. I'm going to cut at the top. I'm simply going to be able to wrap that around, and I'm going to be able to nail through the overlap, and of course my shingles are going to come out all the way to the corner, so I'm not going to see this gap here at all. So this is going to fit over just like this, and again I'll be putting one nail down through the overlap, and this of course is right at the corner.